Chilliz certainly is a low-positioned coin with the ticker Chz that essentially has a genuinely present worth of $0.056252 and a market capitalization of $420,654,164, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Digital currencies especially have long passed the reason behind being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure sellers, or so they most certainly thought. These days, it's a resource class that in every practical sense is considerably controlled and, surprisingly, took on as legitimate delicate in a very large manner. Some in every practical sense, huge venture banks in any event generally get Chilliz and really other digital currencies all at once to generally safeguard their resources under administration, against a jogging expansion that handicaps the conventional monetary business sectors. Presently, now is the ideal time to uncover our short, mid, and sort of long-haul expectation of the advancements on the Chz market that basically depend on the readings of our exceptionally novel crypto unpredictability file that generally assists us with checking the market feeling and certainly expect where in which the market plans to go, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. At this point, the cost of Chilliz in every practical sense is $0.056252, while the coin at present by and large winds up at 64th spot in the in general, really positioning in an unobtrusive manner. The said commonly positioning especially is assessed based on the resource's exceptionally present value that in every practical sense is duplicated by its really current market capitalization, an equation that sort of is applied all through every monetary market, which explicitly is very huge. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions with the goal that our clients especially get the most important information in regards to the exhibition of advanced assets in their portfolios as opposed to prevalent thinking. It's likewise essential to in a real sense consider the verifiable information that permits framing a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its heading in a sort of significant manner. On October 16, the cost of Chilliz for the most part was at $0.055860 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change really added up to 1.18% in an exceptionally huge manner. 7 days prior, on October 10, Chz sort of was esteemed at $0.056529, which sort of intends that from that point forward, the cost in every practical sense has all things considered changed by 0% in an unobtrusive way. A month prior, on September 17, the market member laid out the cost of Chilliz at $0.059239, hence, the coin generally has made a 5.04% move to really arrive at its truly present standings, or so they essentially thought. The examination of market capitalization really conveys truly equivalent significance in both digital money and conventional business sectors, further appearance how presently, now is the ideal time to basically uncover our short, mid, and in every practical sense long-haul forecast of the improvements on the Chz market that sort of depend on the readings of our truly one-of-a-kind crypto unpredictability file that assists us with measuring the market feeling and most certainly expect where in which the market plans to go, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. As a matter of fact, a similar numerical methodology especially is utilized to decide the general position and notoriety of computerized resources and stocks, for example, which sort of is very huge. Changes in market capitalization sort of sure or quite negative are likewise characteristic of the manner by which the said market could head, as well as the resources especially potential for making gains or posting misfortunes in both in every way that really matters, short and really long-haul viewpoints, which truly is genuinely huge. This very specific certainly metric generally is likewise used to check the predominance of Chilliz corresponding to the remainder of the digital money market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future exhibition in an unobtrusive manner. To basically decide the by and large current market capitalization of Chz, we generally increase the circling supply, the boundary that will especially be essentially made sense of later by the sort of present worth of the cryptographic money under audit, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Starting today, the market capitalization of Chilliz remains at $420,654,164, which frames the reason for its in every practical sense present positioning that certainly was referenced before in an unobtrusive manner. Yesterday, on October 16, Chz had a market capitalization of $417,728,286, Ursula certainly thought. Keep going week, on October 10, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to sort of was recorded at $422,733,373, certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. A month prior, on September 17, the market worth of Chilliz basically was evaluated to for the most part be $438, 482 win, 170 win. All-out supply considers the quantity of coins that truly have previously been created by different means, for example, through mining, which sort of is very critical. These digital currencies can generally be utilized either for pretty dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets or with caretakers, showing how at this point, the cost of Chilliz certainly is $0.056252, while the coin presently most certainly ends up at 64th spot in the kind of by and large positioning, which explicitly is very huge. This truly metric likewise calculates the coins that truly have been gotten rid of through the cycle called consuming, which truly is applied to control the expansion rate, showing how a month prior, on September 17, the market member laid out the cost of Chilliz at $0.059239. Subsequently, the coin explicitly has made a 5.04% move to arrive at its certainly present standings in an unobtrusive manner basically. At this point, the all-out supply of Chilliz certainly is laid out at 888 Chz in an exceptionally large manner. Ultimately, the circling supply in a real sense is utilized to fundamentally compute the market capitalization and survey the coins most certainly current remaining in the positions, or so they in every practical sense thought. It signifies the especially generally measure of Chz that in a real sense is as of now exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that explicitly are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly truly put unavailable for general use out of the blue, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. It's by and large truly accepted that digital currencies that by and large have a coursing supply between 60 million and 150 million are the most reasonable for truly long-haul speculation, since they are generally prone to generally see the value in esteem over a drawn-out timeframe, perhaps many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate, which in a real sense is very huge. At this crossroads, Chilliz essentially has a circling supply of 7,478,079,839 coins in every way that really matters, enormous way. Over the sort of beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with Chz arrived at the place of $29,075,319 in a significant manner. Yesterday, on October 16, the normal weighted exchanging volume recorded toward the finish of the exchanging time frame remained at $22,896,214 in an unobtrusive manner. 7 days prior, on October 10, how much Chz that in every practical sense was traded between market members truly was assessed at $27,405,638, showing as a matter of fact, a similar numerical methodology explicitly is utilized to sort of decide the exceptionally generally speaking position and prevalence of computerized resources and stocks, for example in a sort of significant way. Presently sort of comes an opportunity to make sense of exhaustively the quintessence of the crypto instability record, CVIX, since it's a highlight